How to delete your Comcast Xfinity account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, settle any sort of remaining balance on your account. So like I said, if there are any sort of remaining balance, make sure to clear all of that out. So after doing that here, return all of the TV boxes, modems and routers to an Xfinity store or a UPS store. So after returning all of the devices, all you need to do is simply call their number and then speak to the retention department in order to confirm your permanent closure. So that's all you need to do. You can either get into the Xfinity application and tap on help here. If you tap on help, you'll get the option of contact us. You can also get their number through that option. And just like that, all you need to do is tell them to simply cancel all of your your account and services. Then that's all you need to do. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.